Let's say you have a triangle PCD. PA equals AD and PB equals PBC, making A the midpoint of PD and B the midpoint of PC. The area of triangle ABE, also known as triangle 1, is equal to 1. So how can we figure out the area of triangle 2, 3, 4, and 5? Well, let's start off with a theorem. The mid-segment theorem. In this theorem, let's say that points A and B are midpoints of the sides P and PC, PD, and PC respectively. This means that both AB and CD are parallel, and AB equals to 1/2 of CD, because triangle PAB and PDC are similar. Now let's look at this box right here. In this part, triangle AEC and CED are similar to each other. Why is that? Well, because line AB, and CD are parallel, then that means that they are similar. The ratio between triangle 3 and triangle 1 is 1/2 squared, because the ratio between triangles is and their side lengths is squared. So that since the area of triangle 1 equals 1, that means that area of triangle 3 equals 4. Also, a quick reminder that since the triangles AB, AEC, and CDE have a ratio, that means that BE equals ED, and BE divided by ED equals AB divided by CD, which equals 1/2. Now let's look at this box. Here in triangles BE divided by ED equals 1/2. So why is that? Well, because we just said so. Here, this equation comes from the one we just looked at. So knowing this, after and plugging that into these two equations, we can find out that the area of triangle 2 equals 2. It's pretty much the same thing for triangle 4, except it's AE equals 1/2 of CE. Now let's look at the last one. This box right over here. Here, triangle PAB and PDC are similar to each other because of the midpoint theorem that we first looked at. So that means that since the A and B are midpoints, that means that triangle, they have a 1/2 squared ratio with their areas. The area of triangle 1 equals 1. The area of triangle 2 is 2. The area of triangle 4 is 2. The area of triangle 3 is 4. So plugging that all into this equation over here, you can figure out that the area of triangle 5 is 3. So that's it. We've now figured out the area of all the triangles just using these 3 facts over here. So now let's look at a problem you can try doing by yourself, using the same concept that we just learned here.